Hello! Today we are going to draw these alphabets and numbers. Are you ready? Let's go. First, we will see what colors do we have. These are our beautiful colors. Red color, pink color, purple color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, indigo color, brown color, blue color, and green color. Red color. A, B, C, blue color, brown color, D, blue color, E, yellow color, F, green color, G, orange color, H, green color, I, pink color, J, indigo color, K, now we will complete all these alphabets with different colors. Let's go. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, D, U, V, W, X, Y, and what is the last alphabet? Yes, it's Z. Now we have completed our alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, let's complete our counting 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go. What is the first number? Yes, it's 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what is the final word? Yes, it's 10. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Stay tuned for our next videos. Till then, bye.